ready. 1, 2, 3. Cannot the lucky ones.
Ano na?
Ipasok mo sa bahay, bubuka yan.
Tutubo na.
May break there. Pull it. Try to pull it now. After the lady. Wait for the set. It probably is gonna be extra.
Come down the stairs, please.
Are you the knight in shining armor?
Ah,
Try your luck
ano
now.
pala yan? Swords pala yan, swords.
I only found 2 blocks.
Did you? So you're not, that's the knight in shining armor. Let others give it a try.
Do the other.
Maybe I should help her. Oh, now.
One.
Oh, the entrance is, here is the entrance. Ito may entrance. Here, ayun.
Mali, gali ah.
Go to the entrance.
Ah, palasyo pala to. May entrance.
No, may tunnel.
Oh, may tunnel talaga?
Mind your head. Oh, yeah.
Oh. Liyo ko.
The escape Alcatraz.
The escape is wet.
Go on, girl.
The escape is wet.
Escape for your life. Run for your life. Walk. Escape eh. Walk na.
Oh my God.
Pinakase. Go, girl.
Ganda nito.
Keep going, Laura.
Hindi. Grabe palang baba to. Pang baby na. Pinasok natin dito.
Ano? Pero kailangan, ano na, may crane ka. Just stay there a second. Oh. Just wait a sec. Just wait a second.
Ang ganda, no? Wow, Lara. Ay, may Thompson pala. Timaw. Sleeping.
I got up by myself.
Yeah. Okay, you daw.
Hello. Michelle, airport.
Bababa na kami sa palasyo.
Sa airport, I'm
Social. Airport pa arrival. Arrival.
Grabe. Maganda talagang pasyalan. Makatawa ka talaga. Nag-ariba na ramong apo. Ang saya na. And siguro di ka rin, no? May pa-slide sa ulap. Maganda. Na siya. Ayun na may papicturan dun sa inyo. Tayo mo. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Malaking grupo sila. Pag kayo ni Papa, hello! 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ako na.
Ayan yung upuan na malaki. Takot siya. Ayan. Tapos na.
You know what is an alligator? Mahirap na dito.
Ay, hindi. Ganda, oh. Ah, spider! Ayun, oh. Ah, mga ano tayo na makikita. Yan, ayun, oh. Go, Laura.
The trick is to go on the big tires.
Takot.
Big tires make it easy. Big tires.
Ayan. Ayan, oh.
Nagpapakasal.
Aga pa kasal? Ay! Ang laking kariton. Dragon niya. Ganda ng spider, no? Ayan, oh. Laking spider.
Spider-Man.
Lawak, no? Ano yan? Apple?
Okay, you two try to see if you can help.
Puro patay na yung apple eh, yung bunga.
Where did Oakley go? He's gone back around going, let me try it again. Ollie.
The end of the trail. Guys, we found the spider.
Oh, may telepon pa.
Telephone, ha? May baba na naman na dito.
Oo nga, ano kaya yan? Eh, napasabak. Hindi man na pwede magpa ano nito, pababagal-bagal, may telepon pa, oh. Ganda. Nature. Nature school pala yan, be. Nature school. Ang ganda.
Ang ganda talaga dito.
Mas maganda pa to sa ginapunta natin na may mga ilaw.
Wala dito, may Halloween dito.
Canterbury ba yun?
Oo. Laura, the last one. Second to the last.
Star. Gamay na ni Laura eh. Daming isda. Daming isda, no? Isda, oh, nagapuka-puka. Hmm. Dami, oh. Tilapia ba yan to?
Hindi.
Ay, ay tilapia to, oh. Dami to, no? Dami ning na?
Dito, di ka na mahirapan magkawil.
Daming isda. Ang daming isda. Sumusunod sa atin, oh.
Oo nga.
Yan, oh.
Baka gustong hulihin ko ah.
Mga gustong paksiwin da. Paksiw mangyari sa kawali to. Ang ganda. Dito pa sa kabila meron. Wala dito.
Oh, may busay pa oh.
Hindi, ginawa lang siguro. Ganda, oh. Daming isda. Sumusunod. Bear Levy na, oh. Pantik. Number 12 na tayo. Ha? Ang ganda.
Do you think we need to be this upset about it? Or should we calm ourselves down? You have to do like this.
Ang ganda.
Okay, well then stop crying.
Ang ganda. Ganda to, no? Nagugutom na. Okay.
Pwede na, ito na laruan na to eh.
Ganda to na, ganito. Patayo mo doon natin sa ano, sa baba, sa yung may
Sa
taniman
bahay
natin.
ko, sa
Pan-
taniman.
Taniman na yan.
Oo, maganda nga.
Yan, apat lang naligi na bakal.
Nagka-interest ka.
Oo. Gawa ko doon. Para pwede doon na pag nagbubakasyon si Laura, may bahay-bahay siya doon eh.
Ay, ko. Ganda. Ang bahay.
On the 12th day of Christmas, Grandmother Nature gave to me 12 robins chirping, 11 frosty snowmen, 10 snowdrops swaying, 9 festive reindeer, 8 sleeping creatures, 7 winds a whistling, 6 snowflakes falling, 5 sparkly stars, 4 holly leaves, 3 mistletoe, 2 5 sparkly stars, 4 holly leaves, 3 mistletoe, 2 pine cones, and a big Christmas tree for me. Hooray! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Kaneva?
Ayun. Yan, kape.
Ito, chocolate.
Ay, hindi ako. Mamaya na. Si Laura, oh. Nakakain na siya kanina. Anong kinain niya? Ano, Belo, to na?
The big fire, yeah? The big fire. Just inside.
Baka dumikit sa baba mo.
Yeah, I will tell you when it's ready.
Ayos yung marshmallow nila rito, iniihaw eh. Wow! Can I see your marshmallow, be? Oh, wow, it's big. Okay. Sarap? Oh. Yummy.
Go and read it. You need to put it right there.
How do you spell Katarina?
Read it. Try it. Cut. Her. I. Luchan.
Box it later.
Because it's Italian, it's different. Okay? The next one, what's the next line? It says, I have been naughty, nice, I've tried my best. Which one are I have also been kind and helpful. This is what I did. What did you do to show that you've been kind?
Nasulat na pala siya kay Santa Claus.
To a cat, she's being kind to a cat.
Oh, cut.
And K. Seed.
Ang galing kasi na mag-spelling.
Santa would be happy with this. Presents that would really make me happy are cool. Oh, the first one. I think finally Santa will receive your letter. Cool Kid. Cool Kid plushie. Finally. And what else? Maybe you can have, because they said presents. It's mean more. You can write more, so he will have more option for which one you like.
Purple plushie.
You happy with Cool Kid 1? How about art stuff?
Oh.
And anything else you think? Because
Labubu.
this is your chance. Do you want another Labubu? The present I would like to give to if you think of a present to a person, maybe he will give me a present if I'm nice.
When,
What do you think I would like to receive?
how do you spell new? Oh, I know.
W.
No, I know.
W. Yes.
Yeah, I know. From
Love from love. And then put your signature. Your signature. Remember, we did a signature before. Come, create a new signature signature that represents Laura. Maybe something that starts with L, LC.
Para signature pala ni
Yeah,
Laura.
perfect. Perfect
Oh,
signature.
Laura,
Right.
signature.
Are you
Ay,
ready for
pala.
this? Now you can post it to Santa. I'll have to take a photo so we have a copy of that. So we will not forget. Okay, go there and seal it up and put it in the Santa thing. And wish for it to be received by Santa. Yeah? You have tried to be nice and gentle. Yeah, go there. That's okay, at least you're being honest. Take a photo of it. Start me and hold it. Okay. Ready? Hold it nicely and then just put it in the Santa's canopy. Give it a nice kiss first. Okay. Hold it. Baby. Hold it. Yeah, hold it nicely. Hold it. Good luck. Give me 5. Wish me luck.
Wow!
Santa! Santa, listen to Laura. Bye!
Bye-bye, Santa! I'm waiting your gift kay Laura.
Finally, she posts the present to Santa. So the gift she wants, I hope Santa will grant it. Because she's been honest. She said, are you naughty or are you nice? Oh, you tried your best. I tried